The generation of miracles.
Kasi nga, alam niya na tumutulog niya. Tapos lumapit siya. Player! Bench! Player! Bench! Yeah, bench, 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 bench. Coach lang, coach lang.
Players,
Coach lang.
players by the bench. So we will not mistake in any substitution, right? My guy jumps way too high. Thank you, Generation Miracles. Domingo. Domingo. Pass it down low. Stolen by 27. 27. Today, score. 3, no good. 30. Pause it up. Too strong. Rebound by 11. Tap. 21 seconds.
Guys, all your teacher!
Tapped out. Save ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Shoots. Blocks. 12.5. Tuwira, block ulit. 11 on the ball. 4. Spin move. There's it up. 2 points. By number 4. 3. Pinasa sa baba. Fadeaway. No good. One. To 27. Shoots. No good. We'll let it out. Zero. 2. 30. Pushing foul. Illegal screen po tayo. 13. White 13. 1. Out of bola. Euros. Flutter. 2 points. By number 1. Flutter. Binalik. Dalang barangay. 1. Hawk ng bola. Pinasa kay 11. Kabira. Wala. Rebound 27. Foul. Foul. 3-0.
Zero lang daw, 10?
3-0.
Pink, 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 pink. Nakapin siya. Bakit ko si Dami nakapin? 3-0 siya. Hindi na.
Basket. Second attempt. Too strong. One. Crossover. Floater. Too short. Crossover. Oops. Black ball. Kick ball. 14. 11. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Floater. Oops. Out of bounds. White ball. Maple Pirates.
Kuya, katim mo sila. White lang. White jersey. White jersey. Alis ka, hanap na white.
White with the steal. Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Balikan mo na lang yung kuya. Itim na naman.
10 seconds. Spin move. Clock. Total 32. Crossover. Loses the ball. Ties it to 11. 11 with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Whoa. Loses the ball. And bounds. White ball. Falls. Loading. No good. Hey! Yeah.
Kuya,
White.
papuntahan mo naman kami.
30. Pinasa kay tira ng toss. Pasok. 3 points by. Baliktad na 16. 1. Tira. Ay, pumasok. 3 points by number 1. 30.
Grabe ba, grabe.
White ball. White ball. White ball. White ball. Tumira ng 3. Short. No subs. If you are subbing, please come to the table. Please come to the table. Alam mo na. Kick out. Tumira. 2 points. Black ball.
Half. Oh my God.
May 17 na po.
Alright. Salvado, Pinoy. Wow! 2 points for number 13. Floater, too strong, rebound 13. Behind the back, cross the back. Uy,
Ay!
wala yung bola. Pinasa kay Cappy. 8 seconds. Substitution na. Oh, time out. Time out. Time out. One, two, 9, fakes to the bottom, to the bottom. 3, too short, rebound. 30, 30 with the ball, 30 with the ball, 30. Olive. Foul. 7. Foul number 7.
Foul number 7. Tayo lang ka.
Karma. No.
Hindi, hindi.
Five. 7. Oops, natabi. Pinasa sa fast break. One. Inbounds to 4. 4 with the ball. 4. 15 on the shot clock. Stolen. To 2. Pinasa. Pinasa. Foul.
1.
Number 1.
Nagano. Ano yun? Yung kalabaw?
Black 1. Foul.
Kuya, gilit na kayo. Gilit, gilit, gilit.
Mr. Bench. Mr. Bench, show me now. You guys for subbing in.
Dito, hindi.
No good. On 1. 1. No good. Shot up. Save. Oh, to the corner. 2 goals. Number 8. Players to the right is please. So we don't mistake you guys for something in. You guys. Yan. Thank you, Bob.
Bench lang, kuya. Bawal yung comment.
No good. That is your second personal foul, number 1. There's something in? Ups, out of the traveling. One has 2.
1. Uy, 6 na kayo.
Yo!
6 ba kayo? 6. 6 ba?
Oh,
6 ba? Time out daw. Dead ball.
next that ball. Time out, next that ball. Four. Crossover. Euros. Too strong. Rebound 30. Pinasa ka 30. 8. Wala. Rebound 1. 1. Nag-isa. Time. Wala. Let him call first. Black. White 13. Time out. Time out. Generation of the Miracles. Back to the ball game.
Ate, pwede kayo sumigaw. Pwede sumigaw. Pwede sumigaw. Pwede sumigaw. Pwede sumigaw.
We got cheerleaders on the left and the right. No good. Second attempt. Hey. Oh, yeah. One. Second attempt. No good. Rebound. Oh, same ball.
Apat? Dalawa na to.
Oops.
Dalawa.
Wala pa.
Tulog ka ata habang natutulog mo.
We have 12 seconds on the shot clock, guys. Come on, generation of miracles. Twenty-four. Up.
Uy, shot clock daw! Uy, may shot clock daw!
Shot clock.
Shot clock.
18. 30. Pinasa ng 11. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound 1. 1. Crossover. 1. Namanakali. Namanakali. Foul. Foul.
White
16.
18. Ate, white 18.
18. White 18.
White 18. White 18.
First attempt, basket.
Basket.
Second attempt. No good. Rebound 1 again. Rebound 20. 1. Oops. Traveler. Traveler. Ay! Masyado malakas ang pasa. Go! 1. Dave. 1, Dave. Too short. Rebound. His boards. Is it up? Too short. Pass break. Pinasa sa baba. Kept out. We have 15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Jordan 2017 kicked out. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Out of bounds. Black ball. One. Subs! Guys, subs to the table, please. Go in. Go in, go in, go in, go in, go in, go in, go in. Subs, subs. Go in and out. Go in and out. Quicker, guys. Quicker.
Time's running daw.
Subs, take a knee on the table. Four. 2, 1, shoot. Out of bounds. Pinasa kay 11. 11. Pinasa kay 20. To 0. Tumira ng press. Wala. Rebound 27. 27. Crosses over. 27. Pinasa sa baba. 4. Ups. Same ball. Basket.
13-11.
Oy! Crossover. 4. Pinasa kay 30. 11. 30. 30. Crossover. Spin move. On the front. Fade away. Too strong. Rebound. Pass to 4. 1 minute remaining in the half. KQ attacks. Flutter. No good. Rebound. Easy. 30. Attacks. Rebound 17. Passes 30. Spin move. To 11. Raise it up. Basket. 2 points. Fernando Yellow. 1. Sa baba. Tumira. 2 points. By number 27. Thirty. Pinasa kay 0-0. Umatake. Pinasa sa baba. Umatake. Pingoy. Masyadong malakas. Fast break. 2 points. 30 seconds remaining in the first half. 20. Out of bola. 20. Pinasa. Oops. Foul. Foul number 1. Substitution ref? All right, that is third personal foul for number 1. 10 seconds in the clock. 10. 5. 2. 1. That is the end of the possession of the black team. In possession of the black team. This is the last half. 24-4. 4. Umatake. Foul. This one. 13. 3-0.
13?
That is the second personal foul for number 30. 30 with the red jersey.
Pasok.
2 shots in. Oh, what a move! Oh, what a move! Wow! Sayang. Steve. Pulls it up. Kobe. No good. Rebound by 11. 11. Gives it up. Stole it. Oh yeah. To the bottom. Too strong. Oops. That's a foul. Foul 19. Black 19. Two. Attacks the right. To the corner. Shoots. No good. Rebound 1.5. That's a foul by 28. Foul 28. 1.5. First attempt. No good. Second attempt. No good. Still short. 30 with the ball. 1.5. Dribbles. Attack. Another foul. Hey! Almost. 1.5.
Half lang.
Naitira pero hindi na ipasok. Half nga lang.
Pasok mo yan. 1.5.
Oy! Short pa din.
Hindi na ako
Last attempt. Pagpasok ko, 1.5. Iyon! 1.5 na. 4 with the ball. Screen on the left. Oy! Nawala ang bola. Oops! Oh! Out of bounds. It is the Maple Pirates ball. 30 to the middle. Floater. No good. Rebound 11. 11. Dribbles it. Dribbling. Pinasa. Ay! Nahuli. Oops! Avenue. 12. Rain out of ball. 12. 1.5. 1.5 with the ball. 1.5. Attacks. Floater. No good. 11 with the ball. Ooh. That's a blocking foul. Number 2. Blocking foul. 4 with the ball. Tumira na, press. Wala. 30 with the ball. Pinasa sa 2. Too strong. There you go. Number 20. 24. Pinasa sa baba. 4. Pulls it up. 3. Step. Oh, wow.
Aya.
Pinasa kay 1.5. Oh, tumira na press.
Ay!
Short. Kinulang. Four. On wala. 4. Oops. 24. Huli. Oops.
Time? Time daw.
Black number 4. Time out.
Sino nakascore?
Intervention of Miracles.
Opo ako sa share niya. Hawak mo yung shot clock and
Baka naawa ka sa basakan.
No good. Oh, what is only done? Wait a second. There's one shot.
One shot lang.
One shot, guys. That was one shot. He got an end one, guys. He got an end one. He missed the shot. Let's go. Jan Laro.
Ay di.
Foul. Number number 2, white.
And one lang kuya.
And one.
Basket.
Number na?
8.
8.
Ito walang
No good.
Sarap?
30. Nawala ang bola. 8 with the ball again. 1. Pinasa. 27. Tumira. Too strong. 30 with the rebound. Pinasa kay 2. Nawala ang bola. Foul. 12. Foul number 12. Black. Inbounding 12. 30. Number 2, Tumira. Short. Rebound. 16 na baligtad. Pinasa kay 12. Springwood. Springwood. Oh! Short. 11. 11. Isa. 11. 30. Maglayan. One. One. Crossover. Nakita. Libre. Libre. That was a wild crossover. 12. Pinasa kay 2 sa baba. 30. 30. Lays it up. Too strong. 1. 1. Crossover. 1. Oh my gosh. He's going in. 1. 30. Crossover. Oh. Drops it. Swing it. Lays it up. Oh. That's a foul. Foul number 8.
Ilan pa timeout namin? Tatlo pa? Timeout? Pero pag ano? Discounted na?
Sa ulo.
Whoa! 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 Foul number 2. Foul number 2.
Sabi nila,
Pasok.
pasok na.
Oh, basket. 4 points. 12. Crossover. 12. Nawala ang bola. Turnover. Tama, ref. Tama. Up, foul. Number 2. Foul number 2, right? That is the fourth personal foul for number 2. Warning for graduate. Number 2. Hey. Too strong. Two. Inbounds to 30. 30 with the ball. Oh, takes him out. Euro to 12. 12. Up. Hey! To the bottom. 30. Love it. Rebound. 2. 13. No way. Rebound 12. Pass over. Close it up. No way. 1 with the ball. 1. Attacks. No good. Rebound 30. 12. Oh! Same ball. 16 to shoot. Sophia. Raise it up. No good. 30 with the ball. Time's break. Oh!
Bilis nyo. Sabit lang.
30. No good. Clock TV with the 3 points. 2 points. Thirty. Kicks it out to 12. Spin move. 12. Out of bounds.
Time out daw.
Timeout. Maple Pirates. Yan, kita-kita. 30. 12. Pinasakay. 13. Kumantay. Wala. 19. Up. Possession.
White.
Single. Pinasakay 17. Tumira. Bang! 2 points. 17, 2 points. 1. 15. Tumira. Short. Delay. 30. Single. Eleven. Pinasa sa baba. Libre. Wala. Libre. Out of bounds. Sub.
Wow mo.
Pinasakay 4. Oops, out of bounds. Ayan. 17. 30. With the ball. 30. 30. Nag-crossover. 30. Umatake. Pinasa sa baba. Shoots. Too strong. Rebound 30 ulit. Binigay sa baba. Oops. Wala. 11. Pinasa sa baba. Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Para makita ng referee.
If you are not stepping in, please go to your table. There. Yeah. 27. Tumira. 4. For 3. No good. Ayun. Nahuli ulit. Ups. Foul.
White, 17.
White 17.
Push behind.
Pushing foul. 20-31. 12. Libre. Tumira ng 3. Binabot. 3. 11. Floater. Masyado malakas. Traumatic. Wala. 4. Umatake. Wala. Next time po. 30. Tumira. Wala. 1. Nakawa ng bola. 1. Wala. Thirty. Oy! Kinaliwa! Wala. Huli! 1. Pero 10, 11, tumira, 2 points. 2 points for number
Hindi,
11.
nag-stop daw ah.
Stop daw, stop.
Ups. Save. 30. Crossover. Floater. Wala. Yeah.
36.
30.
Yan ba yung luma?
Stick ni kuya. Stick ni.
Ah.
Stick ni kuya. Baba kayo kuya. Sobs. Garo yung mali. Wagi.
Stop daw ah.
Yan. That's a good call. Hot.
Stop daw.
Yan. Ayan. Tama. Time out. Go. Time out. Advance or backcourt? Four. Pinasa kay Juan. So Mr. Tough. Gave it to Harold. Juan. Oh, nawala ang bola. Binigay kay 30. Huli. Raise it up. No good. Put back number 4. No good. Oh. Out of bounds. White ball. Yeah, 2. Tumira. No good. Rebound by 7. 7. 7. Attacks. Good. 20. Umatake. No good. Up. And no good. Penalty.
Ay, sabaw.
First attempt. No good. Second attempt.
Gol.
Basket.
25 ba? Sensya, 25.
29. Nag-euro. Hey. Magaling. Sixteen. Wala siya sa baba. Oy. Wala. One with the ball. Pinasa kay Leven. 20 on the shot clock. Wala. Out of bounds. Lang tinakaw ng bola. 40. 10. 2 points for number 2. Binigay, huli. 2. Oops.
Bye-bye.
That is the end of the ball game. Best player.